Hello everyone. So today I will share a very simple thing that I also discovered recently. Now I use of course packages when I'm working in org mode. I need to rely on, I need to actually work on a lot of things where I need packages, and these packages can be installed from the MELPA repository. And to install a package, I think I've covered this a couple of times in the past. You just need to do list packages, and you just need to then search for the package from the list and then press one key and then install the package. So let me just now show you. For example, if you type in list packages and let us say you want to install this package, which is 0x0. This is actually very useful. So you can press I, and this particular package is now marked for installation, and then if you press X, then it will of course do the installation. But I don't really want to install it right now. What I wanted to show you is that if you are working with org mode and you want to do a lot of wonderful things, and you do some search online, and then you realize that okay, I need to install a package. So you will of course look for the package in the MELPA repository, which you don't really need to do. You can actually, to install a package in org mode, all you need to do, you need to go to your emacs.d folder, and then copy the packages.el file, and then make an entry in the init file of your Emacs configuration, and you will have that particular packages functionality. But installing it from the MELPA is convenient because it will also do an upgrade for you, and it is of course simple. But sometimes not all the packages are available, and what I learned recently is that if you look at your init file, you will have something like this, like require package and add to the list package archive, and you basically need to ensure that in your init file you're using this URL where it says MELPA instead of stable.melpa, and just remove stable from it so that you have all the packages, or I'm not really sure if it will have all the packages, but I guess it will definitely have packages that are not really stable. And then of course restart your Emacs, and you will have a lot of packages. And this is something that I discovered recently, although most of the packages that I had to use were there in the stable repository, but I was looking for the package called OX-reveal. So OX-reveal is a package that you can use to create web-based presentations, although I use org-tree-slide mode, but I am also now making some videos for normal people who prefer looking at fancy presentations, and although our tree slide mode is good, but it is, no matter how much customizations you do in org-tree slide mode, you can remove the header, you can change the colors, but it will still look like a geekish kind of a presentation, like someone is probably showing something on the terminal, which is, I'm totally fine with it. But if you have to install good looking fancy presentations, like presentations that are actually accepted by everyone, then you can use org-reveal or OX-reveal package. That is actually quite good. It will create a wonderful HTML file with some JavaScripts and a lot of themes, and it has a lot of configuration options, which I've started using now. And I don't really create multiple documents. I just have one document where I use maybe few configurations for reveal, the package, and few configurations for LaTeX, and that is it. And whenever I have to export it to a PDF, or maybe if I'm generating some documentation, then I will use LaTeX. But if you have to present the same thing to someone, but not the whole document, but some selected headers, I can use OX-reveal, because when you're making your documentations, or when you're working on org mode, you have the option to use no export tag. So using no export tag, you can actually specify what you want to present, maybe selected subtrees, and using the same no export tag, you can actually exclude some of those subtrees from the LaTeX or HTML document. So really useful, and I thought I'll probably share this with all of you today in case you are trying to install something and you can't really find it in the MELPA repository. So just try to remove this table from the URL, and it should work. And that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much.